Imoya yethu iyazi konke ukuthi we just do not have access to that knowledge. Khona izinto ey'thile ezike zavimba. I'm gonna get to that topic one day. But ngifuna ukubeka la ukuthi imoya yethu yazi kakhulu and ikwazi konke okwenzakala kamoya. But thina siyasala ngokwenyama ngenxa yokuthi iy'nyama zethu zingcolile ekuthenini zingakhoni ukufinyelela. Izinyama zethu zididisekile ngokuthile ekutheni imoya yethu ingakhoni ukufinyelela enyameni yethu. So therefore umoya wethu into ezamayo ukutetela izigulo ngokwenyama, uyitetele ukuthi wena usuyayibona manje usunereshe, usuyayibona manje usunokuthi ushowa izinto ey'thile, izinto ey'mila ngaphakathi esinyeni, ushawa amaphaphu, ushawa ini. At the end of the day okunye futhi ukuthi hlezi wazi ukuthi there is a scientific explanation of things and then there's a spiritual explanation of things. Ilapho futhi lapho iqala idide